Well, good evening, and this is just a test of the Scratching with Chess video network. If this was a true event, you would have been notified through your regular emergency channels and directed to proceed to your nearest lottery distributor for further instructions. But what we're checking here is just to see how wonderful this might be. And I'm particularly looking at how we go look at the numbers, how we scratch off, how it looks to do this, and also how my voice is coming through. Oh, I know, I am trying to do all kinds of wondrous things there also. We're just doing our best to bring you the top quality in entertainment here on our YouTube channel. So, as we go for the one we wish we got when we did this ticket the first time, hopefully the next one we play will have it. Thank you very much, and hopefully this will be a much better presentation for the future.